Hi all, Larry Powell II here with another US Mint unboxing video. I got a package in the mail from the US Mint and I'm going to open it up and see what they sent me. I think it's another one of my enrollment packages where I have it set up to send me whenever new stuff comes, well, certain things anyway. Whenever certain things come out, they send me one of them. Actually, I think it's probably going to be easier just to use the scissors, maybe. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. I'll just have to use arm strength. And since it's my left arm, it may take me a minute to get this open, because my left arm is not as strong as my right. And my right still has problems with the arthritis junk, so. Alright, there we go. Alright, let me take that out of there. Packing slip. And then we'll get this out. Cool. My 2022 Mint set. Alright, and I'm going to open it up and show it to you guys. I mean, I don't usually keep it sealed. I know some do, but I don't. Eventually, when I get the money to get the albums for all of these, I'm going to be taking them out of the mint set and proof sets anyway and putting into my albums. That way I've got uncirculated and proof coins in my albums. Anyway, so this is the 2022 mint set. On this blue card, it has all the coins that were minted in Philadelphia. The dollar, the penny, the dime, nickel. And there's one of the quarters, the $half, and then here are the other 4 quarters. And it's the first 5 coins from the pioneer women, or I forget now what they call it exactly, but it's women who have made strides in various fields of medicine, music, or any kind of genre, really. Those that have done something in a field. Anyway, so there's the other sides for all the coins, and that's from Philadelphia. And then here's the same thing from Denver on the red card. And then it has all the statistics and metal composition and all that stuff down here at the bottom. I kind of like the way these are done. Anyway, so this is my 2022 US Mint set. And I want to thank everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already on YouTube. And like and follow on all my other social medias, which all except for my Snapchat is the only one that's not on my About page, I believe. I will have to double check, but I think all of my others are on my About page. Anyway, as always, everyone have a wonderful day and be safe. Bye-bye.